We have some visuals also now coming in. These are visuals that have been accessed by NDTV. 60 Indians now have been evacuated from Israel. These pictures that we are showing to you on your TV screens there, first on NDTV coming in, first group of evacuees from Israel that are seen here sitting in this flight. About 60 Indian nationals who've been taken out of Israel, and this flight is reaching Delhi. Well, this is a visual that these pictures have come in from inside that flight that's carrying these 60 Indian nationals back from Amman to Delhi. Well, what we are also learning is that as these people boarded this flight, they also shouted Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Listen.
Please stow your carry-on luggage underneath the seat in front of you on an overhead bin.
All right. My colleague Ankit Tyagi continues to be with us on the broadcast here. Ankit, we understand now 60 Indian nationals, those who've been evacuated, are being brought back to Delhi.
Yes, so Kitty, we've been reporting on how the evacuation under Operation Sindhu has also begun here in Tel Aviv in Israel. Yesterday was the first batch. So far in total, 3 batches have gone from here. It's a voluntary evacuation of Indians. Those who feel unsafe, they can contact the Indian embassy in Tel Aviv, and then arrangements are made. The pictures that you are seeing on your screens is of the first batch which went in. There are 2 land routes which are being used by the government of India. First, people are brought into Tel Aviv, and from there, either they are taken through the land route to Amman in Jordan, or through, they cross over in Egypt to Sharm el-Sheikh. And from there, flights have been arranged for them to be taken back to New Delhi. Now, total, and because I reported on this extensively this morning, the 2 batches that went in the morning, 1 through Jordan, 1 through Egypt, overall in the 3 batches, about 600 Indians have been evacuated from Israel. Like you saw, one of the flights in which 60 of them were sitting. There will be other flights both from Amman, Jordan, and from Egypt that will be flying and bringing about 600 Indians back to New Delhi.
Okay, all right. Many more Indians are being brought back to India. Well, this is the first flight, the visuals of which that you can see on your TV screens. About 60 Indian nationals are being brought back to India at this point in time. Thank you so much, Ankit, for getting us all those details there. Please be safe. We'll come back to you later as more updates come in. Meanwhile, these are the latest pictures and the video of that flight that we've been showing to you on NDTV here. Now,